Weba Owiakwaba ever G series, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bravo, KT, Kavitela, and Nadia, Ayuja, Kitty, and Yasan Katua, ZionFelix, Ameyaw, Debrah, any blogger, Conconsania, Kavitela, Ayawan, Passana, what the assembly to Jaffa. Now, say the people and some women, let's say, so we are subscribe to the channel now, let's say, over subscribe. We are say over click the subscribe button now. Our belly notification. When is our new video piano also when sa back. After we are now like video, give us a thumbs up. Now, share my awful frost so now when you be now watching. Afi yoko seven. Kavitela and Nadia Bawumia was in the on your to eti at Mahama so papa near on fano and who grows cry. Now when they Ameyaw Debrah at the Ensimbi at the fire Bawumia or Tróuble any time like Facebook post our day at 2 years and some year Ameyaw Debrah to and Ama Kavitela and Minia Kutukum Koko Apaya what you see one or so. And some year Ameyaw Debrah to another wall screen is on or say. Ameyaw poster or kumiki or say a recent survey revealed that people around the globe admire Dr. Bawumia's humility. It's the most a rare trait among leaders of his caliber. Do you think humility is an essential quality in leadership? Tag a friend whose humility you admire and tell us why in the comment. It's possible not true what day a year or 2 4 say to a post about me opportunity na asema aye otufor say to account want say you have remained humble since we met otufor say to the second there say Bawumia ewo ahobrase won semu asu ya Ameyaw Debrah adekoto na ye kabitela bu efunu gidigidi enya sanketo na we na wati si ye ZionFelix ene ye otrese sakufo gina ye twiska mom aye 50,000 Ghana cedi and before no twiska ma aye sakufo say one in the year said no way, no, I came till I bought and so to say what he see one so the day in there, just to end your followers are Velisa, then you what to be a man, so and I am a Debrah so what you dear, and I would see a year of some blogger using cancer on also so Kevin till I year or no so pass my Kevin in some degree nara and not to be a fire some people will down. Now, yes, Sembrano, yet here Kevin till a reaction to find some way on Kotrofa about me home. It here somewhere a year.
There's this thing that we've been telling you people about for a couple of months now. Mekache Ghana for say the NPP will be using some people in Ghana to lie to you. And we are saying Koto Mokachemo, free mind Mokachemo, Ghana for the NPP have no message. They are going to use fake bloggers, liars, thieves, young men who are greedy, young men who have no track record. People who are just used like dogs to deceive majority of you people. So you have to be very careful the kind of fools you listen to or follow on social media. And I'm saying fools because these boys or these young dirty men live in Ghana with you. They buy the same fuel you buy. They buy the same food you buy. They also they are living through the doomso. They are part of the hardship. They see everything. But because they are filthy, dirty idiots, because they are greedy fools, stinking individuals, they have decided to take money. And I want to tell the NPP youth, more and more social media can take care of 90% of you, mobile social media to insult and make it look like, say, the elections and as a governance is between a tribe and as it's a competition more and more dirty job na ye boom now sebio munye dian India mo breno. I want to tell you people, these bloggers have been given 50,000 Ghana cedis for just to post two things on their pages. 500 million old Ghana cedis. You are a young Ghanaian oti social media di me matem on say onyonko akwaji 50,000, 500 million old Ghana. Yeah, they are showing say, yeah, man post. And you don't put the ultimate trouble because majority of those people they cannot write or read good English or write them. Yeah, true. And you say, repost it. They have been paid 50,000. Why? Ninja say, Ghana for Jimmy. The NPP, they don't respect the intelligence of the youth. Majority of the youth, you spend your time on social media. And the NPP as a political party led by Bawumia the liar, they don't respect the intelligence of the young guy, the young woman who is going through hell in Ghana. So what they are doing is they have resorted to jandam, and they are using some filthy, dirty boys and girls to do the jandam. And that is where the problem is. It is the enemies of the state. These are the people. I'm about to show their faces. Because they are the problem. They are the ones leading politicians to lie to you for the past 8 years. They are university graduates. They are people who have lost their jobs. They've lost their wives. They've lost their monies, their investment. All because the government took decisions that affected people's lives. This is the time we Ghanaians are supposed to be honest and speak the truth to people we are paying taxes to take care of us. Now, how can a young man say, "Me so be a Ghanaian, me koji sika 50,000"? No mabe mislead so many Ghanaians. Sanya beya nipa na odi Ghana dem no obeko so edi Ghana dem. Then you are an enemy. Then you are supposed to be beaten to death because you are doing a worker you know deliberately is going to destroy lives. Now, see this. Here, you people might take these things lightly. Mwajiribe will say these people are not dangerous. They are the most dangerous individuals on the streets of Ghana. When these people are taken care of, Mr. Politicians can never lie to you again. Jandam. Ninyina no. Eye media no, any bloggers be na NPP use you from 2012. The NPP used bloggers. Bra mo brain no, about 40% no, bloggers na course here. All because they are selfish, greedy fools. They don't care about you. Somebody who doesn't care about you, you should never care about such person. Now look at these boys. And I know majority of you Ghanaians have seen this before. You have seen this, but before I started, the reason why the NPP is panicking, say it is left with 119 days. We weekends ni free moi. Aka 119 days ni atwaba. 119 days. Mama NPP 8 years. You people gave the NPP 8 years to rule Ghana. The NPP could not build one regional hospital. One. John Mahama ruled for 3 years, 4 months. He was able to build regional hospitals. These people have been in power for almost 8 years. Aka 119 days, excluding weekends. Now, Yakoto Ababiem, the people cannot point to one regional hospital. But there are young men in Ghana because of greed. So they will take money and mislead Ghanaians. Now, the question we are all asking is, what is Bawumia's message? Mahamud Bawumia, what is Bawumia's message? What is Bawumia's message? Aka 119 days. Bawumia message when? The dollar is sitting there. We are talking about unemployment. We are talking about corruption. We are talking about the disease you have gone through till date. What is 119 days? Where is Bawumia's message? When you take out all the weekends, weekends, free ma, Saturday, Sundays, no, weekends, free ma, aka 119 days. And the question is, Bawumia message when? That is why they have decided, say, they want to use some dirty, filthy, dirty human beings. They are on social media pretending so many nyansa. These people, and let me tell you, see these boys. And I know majority of you guys, you've seen these things they've been posting. This is Ameyaw Debrah. Now, this guy, Ameyaw Debrah, owns our post way. Right now, no. Remember, Ameyaw Debrah, this is Tanka say Jubilee House. Ameyaw Debrah, the concept Somalia Ponkobino. Ameyaw Debrah, no, na more fonsano. Next sister, Jubilee House. This Ameyaw Debrah blogger, we know. This fool, ne at US. Or not Ameyaw Debrah, and we don't know whether he's gay or not. We don't even know. Only the sexuality. But also Awarema Obaneti America. But you see what he's doing? He's feeding on your ignorance. Politicians seek an orgy. And odi feeding a yere wabruchri. And you the youth now what one breno. Akwana ne konsa Somalia ponkono. Otigana na ojimino. Now this is a poster. The NPP for aye. Now what is it got to do with? Almost ended the Bawumia humble. Inti Ghana for Nkotuma Bawumia. Kwasiafo. Humility na to aba. Humility na the president. Humility. Enti na to aba Bawumia. Humility ntina kwasi achichide na oda Jubilee House no. Ya to aba ma no. Humility and they do. Today and the Ghana conversation, it is humility. Enti anya Bawumia humility na obi a humble no we Jimia. O Ameyaw Debrah. Oh, Ameyaw Debrah. Oh, you didn't ware no. So a humble no with Jimmy and Kaba no. You are such a foolish, long neck idiot. Muna mo Jimmy, muna mo say Ghana. Now, these are the things they are spreading. Omudiama bloggers say, oh, Bumfantua Bontine, and they have taken 50,000, 500 million old Ghana. Yeah, they are more mudi. Adanya humility in Muama. This is what they are spreading. A recent survey reviewed. Survey from where? And you see, these boys, ne blogging and ne site, no fake news unkwano carry. Ameyaw Debrah is a fake news carrier. Or to say AIDS, or to say HIV, or to say the way HIV. Or no. Or carry a virus no ordinanam. Ameyaw Debrah namuhuna. I'll show you his picture. This fool. This is the boy I'm talking about. This is the fool I'm talking about. Let me move in here. Wait. These are the fools they are using. Fake news. And these are the people politicians use in Ghana. These are the fools. And these are people you are not supposed to let walk free. Because we are used to when you're so out to Ghana and the politicians people like this. Ameyaw Debrah is not better than the people who were shot at Techiman South. No. But because of money and greed, this guy, his website, his fake news page now, WhatsApp, Facebook, yen.com, every single thing he puts there, be careful before you consume it. He's a liar. Ask him, where is the survey? Where did they conduct the survey? Now, this is what the Kojo Kyeremanteng, Sammy Ukubu Chiroma and say Ombe Posti. And remember, Opon Kruma and Sammy Uku are behind this nonsense. I say a recent survey revealed that people around the globe admire Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Bawumia's humility is the most, a rare trait among leaders of his caliber. Do you think humility is an essential quality in leadership? Foolish question. Stupidity. And such a young man with a kid, so I would also have him. So when we nominate Ghana, Jimmy, recently we saw on Facebook. Oh, PhD and Ghana card, and Kenya Ghana pay for the Jimmy. And they tweet on Facebook now we are having an argument over PhD and a Dutch passport. And kwasi what is someone what it is Facebook. Monum kan oh Ameyaw Debrah oba nyanko for China or Virginia. Dirty boy like you sit there because of greed. Stupid boy, you mislead people. Now, Obi Kocho Kwana na Odensaki Kanwa, why bonny? Yari 47 na mono, Obi Kocho Kwana Binas Odensaki Kanwa, why bonny? You people are misleading the youth. You people know what is going on is wrong. Sikani greed in tea. Why? Then you will become the enemy. Because nobody can attack Akufo-Addo. When people are looking for people to exert their pressure on, they will come to you. Because Akufo-Addo has police protection. Bawumia has police protection. Now, who Ameyaw Debrah, do you have that protection? Because people are angry in the system. They need somebody to attack her. They will come to people like you. Why do you carry fake news and make it look like the youth are stupid? Yen.com now running on. It is fake news. Every single thing that comes from there is fake news. So these are the things they gave them to post. And I'm going of 2 for picture. And I'm going for Bawumia picture. Because without due respect, I'm going to say Jimmy. You see these fools? They be catching the young people of Ghana. They be catching the young people of Ghana. Be very careful. Be careful about diseases like this. These are political insects. They don't do anything on social media. It is only fake news. So we be on yen.com. It is fake news. I'm telling you. Jubilee House. They feed her like a chicken. The picture I'll come and show you the sister's picture. Ne yiri America how? And not Ghana say, "What do you think you're Jimmy?" Into Munkosha ways no Montwaba. Yen.com no run. It is a fake news joint. Nobody should see this guy as credible. This guy is a thief. He's a criminal. He takes money from politicians. This guy, I can tell you on authority. Time I Cheddar Jimmy no start here, no. These were the people Cheddar gave money to. Today, MP perform 50,000 to post 2 things. Next week, they are planning on giving more money. And Kwasiade. Now, let me show you another fool. This is another person, ZionFelix. Just a boy is important. Omuni momo left from right. Sad dirty boy. We share him. Boy, we on to me show myself. Na okuta camera no didi jantra fuichi ewa peteshiba. Elo bika to the team say koye interview. This filthy dirty boy. Sad boy, we on to me show myself. ZionFelix, me dem between national tables on show myself no call heaven. On to me show. I can put $100,000 on the table. Now the man is on show myself. On to me. He cannot even write the things he's posted on his page. This is a foolish boy who was just holding cameras. And odi ajantra fuechi, omo ko store, omo ko bar, omo tukwan, omo wura, and odi omochi, I feel so a blogger, oniminyansa. And these are the boys. They gave this boy 50,000 Ghana cedis for this fool to repost this same thing on his page. You see where we are today as a nation. The young people now, they should be the enemy of the state. Where or see a children and sake canon. Yeah, I don't care what you think. They need to be stopped. We need to go after them. We need to let them understand. Masa, ekroni timuno, a man for brew. So you cannot cook jandam. Jandam na dia bedru ha. Atamels to some kaje say atamels no wi onom jot. Enti na nsema tuntum no atamels no monsa atamels enti na atamels o monkey atamels mochreman enom kache edu Akufo-Addo so kache Akufo-Addo no wi omo say prescription enkwasiafo ma. Akufo-Addo ba so aye chide so onum cocaine ni wi no. Omo kache so Akufo-Addo the prescription. In more way today are sitting on social media, and because of greed, boy I want to show no me say so boy Net2 TV switch on myself. I'll shut down my production, my entire company. I'll shut it down on one platform. On my live, not show myself onto me yet. How can this fool today, because of greed, these foolish boys are just putting fake news out? The research from where? The survey, where is it from? The survey you people are talking about, the recent survey, where is it? Survey when I conducted survey, no. So these are the people. Subway. Anything you see on his page, he didn't write it. On school, on he is using the youth. He is lying to you people. Ne profession say okuta camera di jantra fuechi. That is it. Oni bibia biom. Oni boy bina ne body na kwa say yes friends say GH Kweku say then sa boy bina ona manana ye say ne body I say clay I say ye nyamuno ni kenikem sa boy bina e portrait an ho no. Sa flesh boy no friends say GH Kweku say then no. Those boys, those foolish boys, we will let the youth come after you people. Me say, the youth who have been rendered jobless, we will let the youth come after you people because more and more politicians this and kwasiasem say GH Kweku say dey akwabina portrait to ne nimune ne body ne nine rough bino sa disease bino. We will let the young people come after you people. Mama, politicians, criminals, Ghana, no. These people, they'll go around and they are begging. Because they be all to be fear. Oh, the mama kakra. This boy, he can cheddar maniska. When Cheddar was giving this boy money, no me be 7. Cheddar, convoy. This is the boy who led the boys to go take money from Cheddar. At a point, they were all posting the same thing about Cheddar, this foolish boy. And you see where we are today. So I'm just sending this message. Emabawa eni mbebunromania brio. Say Akufo-Addo police protection. Bawumia police protection. Politicians or police protection. Mudia munibi. Mudia ne mobedi wakwana so. We will deal with you on the streets. Because when you're ready to help the young men on the streets, into the young people, we will redirect them to you. This is another fool. This guy is a friend in Konkonsa, also onye, is a friend is a Eugene who said, "Oh, sorry, I know Odi Father Dixon. So I'm a funny tool, so I'm a funny hero. This guy, another dirty fool, another dirty fool. Obeko UTV said, Odi Father Dixon, or you shouldn't kunu for 200 shwasia. Na kwasia with Africa Father Dixon moto. These are the boys they are using, as a friend Eugene. These are the fools that the youth you have to charge on. According to 50,000 Ghana, and almost selling fake news. We want to sanitize the system. So a young man or a young woman, now when you're ready to say all the facts in the Juma, we will sanitize the system. You will let the youth come after you. Because this guy, another guy, don't you know this guy's story? A person repeat this guy. This is the guy who went after Abna Koko and Opeso Repuno. Emma Abna Koko Bekanya. This guy. They are all low, cheap, low thinking fools. But I want to say you to be a Jimmy. This is the same guy Abna Koko can ask them. I know Abna Koko also Opeso Repuno. This fool. This is the guy. And this is what the MPP does. They did it in 2016 and they tarnished John Mahama image. Almost destroyed John Mahama. They use these same fools. They destroyed John Mahama. These are the same boys they used. Almost say John Mahama ding. almost say Ibrahim, almost say John Mahama Yire, almost say Obiadin. These were the boys behind it. And right now we know our enemies. Right now we all know our enemies. Akufo-Addo or police or soldiers. Obiantimi nkono. Bawumia police or soldiers. Muni police, muni soldiers. We will deal with you people on the streets. Me say, some muni police, muni soldiers protect. We will deal with you people on the street. Rapist way. And then the MPP, they don't have any message. They have no message. Where are you to mona? Kwasi ampenyi way. And then the ono akwaji sikabe post say Ghana for enhweso no monto abama Bawumia. Na ye create a whole statement amamo. Say munya me posti when a man of to abama Bawumia. Humility yere chichire man. Humility yere chichire man. Kwasi afo 2014, 15, 16. Muka just ahobra say chichire man. Since Ghana nya independence, one of the peaceful presidents Ghana nya John Mahama emmoa sa kotoku na ono nam Jubilee House ra why say amotia no ne nkwasi ade oye nya yehu Bawumia ndi echire. Bawumia is the head of the police council. Ya body pan watchu to emmoa. You talking about humility? Sa nkwasi afo we ku Ghana kunipa Ghana na mu jimi mu hu fin. We will send the young people after you. Media meka me oh yeah, because at this point Obi obe stop Ghana democracy because be your enemy. And if they are going to use you to destroy the democracy of this nation, and we will make sure say you people are taken care of. And we will make the youth deal with you on the streets. Bawumia but we will get you people on the streets. You can say whatever you want to say. Move away from fake news. Tell Ghanaians the facts. I didn't hear Ghana for. Me maka, you have every right to talk about John Mahama. John Mahama nyame banono. But make sure whatever you say about John Mahama are the facts. Any single thing you put out there about John Mahama are a fact. Anytime I make sure my team will go over everything before I speak on them. And anytime to me sorry in country Ghana say Kevin trying to be so because the facts are there. You do it again. So John Mahama, you can say it. Make sure it's a fact. If they are not a fact, you send people after you. It's a fact, and I'm a catch them. You incite the people against you because muna must say kruno. So if you want to speak about the NDC, go ahead. Make sure they are the fact. If you want to speak about John Mahama, go ahead. It should be the fact. About Nana Pokwajiman, it should be the fact. Every single statement we made here against Bawumia, we push it, we back it with facts. So the records have been set. They also a Bemano, breachy law no, ni enhwe de besi o Ghana. Bidi mo anima toto so, me se de oye Bema no, breachy sa law no. Mo amuti abrochi, mo amuti Ghana, de oye Bema no, breachy na onfa fake news into abontene without facts. Ni enhwe de obeka asase we so. Wasiafo. Now, there's something we need to talk about quickly. Time save go. Wasiafo you do omuchi ahun.
Yo, waiting for winning and some of your KT at the two garden late na ye Ameyaw Debrah post to a Bawumia post be ordered to hold my family home and no KT at TSN so and ZionFelix and Neko Consa award and Sepuldo Nara at to be awarded on the enemies of the state. Na KT and Sepuldo Nara and after because GC so and our hair no say we subscribe ya. Message say over subscribe no like it. Now I say video no ama awful froso enye bi na wahwe. Also betting actually wagon afa aye and some way now on comment box ni mobati minkabi in my next video.
Watching, like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.